Hey there, Joseph. Hope you're doing well. I'm Parthiv Jasolia from the team EmoticareAI. We have built this AI chatbot as a requirement for the Amdocs Hackathon. So I'll be giving you the overview of how the project is working, what are its features, and how does it work basically. So let's get started. So this is the landing page of our chatbot. As you can see, there's a login option, about us option. So let's go through about us option. So this just basically states what our motivations were choosing this theme and what we mean to accomplish through this chatbot. So yes, here are some team details. Let's get to the login. So there are three options as to login. If you are pre-existing user, you can use login now. You can register if you are a new user, and you can continue as guest. So let's continue as a guest and see some functionalities of the bot. So here is the main view of our bot. So let's start some chat. So hey, so uh, we have implemented spelling correction as well. So if someone makes a spelling mistake of two, three letters in a word of size that is of 10 to 12 letters, then it will automatically correct the word and give the opinion of it, output of it based on that. So that's it. For the guest view, most of the functionalities are same as the someone who's a user with an account. Here you can see there are some inbuilt, already predefined help functions that a user can use when they are not sure what they are feeling and want to ask. So if I click that, chatbot will go through basically inbuilt function outputs that we have give it, which are this, and it will give periodically output those outputs. So as you can see, 1 out of 7 to 1 out of 7, and it will continue doing that without any interruption. Now this is the tests we have implemented that can give you what the severity of situation is. So if I do that, let's randomly select some option and see what the chatbot predicts my depression levels are. Wait, yeah. So if I submit, as you can see, the chatbot is continue doing its stuff from the backwards. If I submit it, uh, as you can see, the depression level. This is done through a neural network that we have implemented, and neural network basically runs like 300 times and achieves an accuracy of around 95% after the full 300 cycles, and basically it gives the output which is the most accurate and based on the test input. So that was a depression test. You can type an anxiety test as well. This is a mindfulness of this is a feature that we have implemented that allows users to play some inbuilt audios that are made to relax mind. So these are basically some of medically approved audios. Like I can play it right
Using your nose rather than your mouth to breathe, I'd like you to
now.
start
As you
by
can hear,
observing your
it's a
breath.
relaxing voice person talking and
Note the
knowing how
quality
to
of your breath
calm
as
down.
you inhale.
Now we are in guest mode, so this capability of journaling is not allowed for guest mode. So we can basically encourage users to log in and make an account. So we have higher level have higher level of logins from the user side. So that's that. So now let's log in. Uh, I have a pre-existing account, so I'll just use that. As you can see, login unsuccessful. So I guess I'm not logged in. So I'll sign up. Just randomly input something and make an account. That's that. And I guess I'll have to use a different account. Must have forgotten password to that. So I am now logged. I have made an account. So I'll just log into that. I am logged in now into that. So I can. So this is the basically function thing. There's nothing to it. This is a functionality also, like user based on their convenience can also go to light and dark mode. Now let's go to journaling part of the. Now here users can add part of what they are feeling about the day or a situation. So let's add something. Feeling so great. Had a bad experience. So, mm, so it just creates something like this, and it also highlights the feeling that you were feeling. Like if this is based on neural network, it finds what a user is. Ah, I'm I mean, you can ignore that, but feeling not feeling so great today. But as you can see, it just highlights what's the main highlight of the feeling that user was feeling. So I can also again write a journal, depressed, out of my mind. I don't know if I do this, feeling depressed out of my mind, and that just it's the basic functionality that we have implemented. Now this SOS, it basically states all the, not all, but most of the helpline numbers given out by Indian government and some NGOs. So this can help user to navigate to like and responsible authority that can help them out or give them a better guidance than the chatbot. So that's that. Now going to account section. Here you can update your username, email. You can choose a profile photo if you want to. Like if I go here and choose a profile photo, like if I want to choose anything, like I choose this, update, so it will just update the profile photo of a user. Let's chat something so we can test the. Let's give some spelling mistake and let it figure out something. So as you can see, I used conf and it figured out by itself that I was meaning confused. And if I write this, it will automatically get stressed. So that's a good function. Now, if I go here, you can see there's a delete conversation. So we can this conversation is retained by the chatbot, so it can get better understanding of what the user was feeling back then. So if a user wants to get rid of it, she can just delete conversation. So the bot will lose all the context that was stored. So you can see So sorry for the cutoff. It's basically a software issue that it only allows 10 minutes. So let's get started. So last time I deleted the chat. As you can see, it has reset it. So just account section basically provides some basic use functions that someone can use to edit their account. So that's that. And I can log out to get out of the chatbot and log in again whenever I need. So that was our product. I hope you found it useful. I hope it had necessary functionality to be a good chatbot. Thank you. We had very fun implementing this. Thank you for the opportunity.